How to get a key for Google Authenticator. Firstly, you'll have to open the Google on your device. So simply you have to open the Google. And now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, tap on the options manage your Google account. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to swipe right and go the options like security. Okay, so from the security feature, you'll have to scroll down and find the options like authenticator. So simply have to tap on it. And now from here, go the options side of authenticator. Okay, so from here to generate a key, you'll have to tap on this can't scan it. Okay, so from here, you can get your key for your Google Authenticator. So like you can see, this is the Google Authenticator key for my Google Authenticator app. So likewise, you can also get your key for your Google Authenticator. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.